Welcome to Best Choice. The best control arm bushing removal tool is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any mechanic's arsenal, especially when tackling suspension repairs on your vehicle. This specialized device is engineered to make the notoriously difficult task of removing stubborn control arm bushings a breeze, saving you time, frustration, and potentially costly damage to surrounding components. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a dedicated DIYer looking to perform maintenance with precision and efficiency, understanding the nuances of these tools can significantly impact the quality and speed of your work, ensuring your vehicle's suspension performs optimally for years to come. Number 5. TOMMARS 3-Piece Front-End Service Kit. Introducing the TOMMARS 3-Piece Front-End Service Kit, your essential companion for automotive front-end repairs. This comprehensive set is engineered for the precise removal of ball joints, tie rods, and pitman arms. Say goodbye to damaging your vehicle's components. Our tools ensure a clean separation, protecting joints and other parts from hammer blows or pickle forks, dramatically boosting your repair efficiency. Crafted from high-strength, heat-treated steel, these tools are built to last. Their robust construction guarantees exceptional durability, making them ideal for tackling even the most stubborn or rusted components. Designed for versatility, this kit fits a wide range of domestic and imported FWD vehicles. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, it's perfect for garage or mobile repair work. The adjustable design ensures compatibility with various ball joint sizes. This adaptability makes it a valuable addition to any mechanic's toolkit, simplifying complex front-end service tasks. Before making your purchase, please carefully measure your ball joint size. Ensure it matches the specifications of our ball joint separator to guarantee perfect suitability for your repair needs. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for front-end service. If you're looking for a versatile set that can handle ball joints, tie rods, and pitman arms without causing damage, this is a great choice. It's ideal for mechanics who need a reliable set for various common front-end repairs. What people say. It will work perfectly. These tools save so much time when removing tie rod ends, ball joints, and it did not tear the grease retainers on the ball joints, saving me the cost of new rod ends. This set of ball joint separators work very well for different setups. I used it on my 2002 Sequoia and 2006 Mercedes S-Class. This gives me options on the type of separator I need to use dependent on the suspension setup. Number 4. Lower Control Arm Prying Tool. Introducing our new Lower Control Arm Prying Tool, expertly designed to make separating lower ball joints a breeze. It easily frees ball joints from knuckles, with an adjustable arm for perfect positioning. Crafted from high-quality steel, this suspension bushing tool is built for durability. It's sturdy, strong, rust-proof, and resistant to deformation, ensuring long-lasting performance. This versatile tool offers a universal fit, making it compatible with most front-wheel drive vehicles, including both import and domestic cars, as well as minivans. Experience a safer repair process. Its innovative 2.4 sparing design prevents slippage and protects other vehicle components, unlike older models. Using this tool is straightforward and effective. It provides a stable grip, ensuring a smooth operation that won't damage your car during repairs. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to us for assistance. Your confidence in our product is our highest priority. What we like. This tool is specifically designed for prying down the lower control arm to separate the lower ball joint. If you are working on front-wheel drive vehicles and need a tool that provides a secure grip and is easy to position, this will make the job much simpler and safer. It's a good option for those who find traditional methods difficult or prone to slipping. What people say. This tool is a lifesaver for removing control arm bushings. It made the job so much easier and faster than using a hammer and chisel. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. Number 3. OTC 7068 Upper Control Arm Bushing Service Set. Introducing the OTC 7068 Upper Control Arm Bushing Service Set. This tool makes replacing press-in type upper control arm bushings on most rear-wheel drive Chrysler, Ford, and GM vehicles incredibly easy. Harness the power of its mechanical screw design for efficient work. It handles the heavy lifting, ensuring a smooth and effective bushing replacement process. This comprehensive set includes a C-frame screw assembly and all necessary adapters. You'll have everything needed for quick removal and installation of bushings. Designed for precision, it allows you to service bushings without removing or damaging the control arm. Maintain the integrity of your vehicle's components. It's perfect for use on rear axles and various front axle applications. This set is ideal for light-duty trucks, offering broad compatibility. What we like. This set is specialized for upper control arm bushings on specific RWD vehicles. If you frequently work on Chrysler, Ford, or GM rear-wheel drive vehicles and need to replace press-in upper control arm bushings without removing the entire control arm, this tool is a must-have. Its mechanical screw action makes the job efficient and precise. What people say. Using this tool I was able to replace all 8 bushings in a short time. The tool is high quality and easy to use. The adapters fit very nicely, and I replaced the bushings in just a few minutes. This is much quicker and quieter. Perfectly installs the upper control arm bushings on the 94-03 Chevy S10. Installs the bushings with no issues at all. Number 2. Mission Automotive Lower Control Arm Prying Tool. Elevate the efficiency of your mechanical tasks. This tool is engineered to simplify complex jobs, transforming daunting tasks into manageable solo endeavors. It is compatible with most front-wheel drive vehicles, including domestic models, imports, and minivans. Designed for use with any 7/8-inch pry bar, it integrates seamlessly into your existing tools. Achieve precise control and optimal leverage with this pry hook tool, perfect for bushing removal. Its design maximizes efficiency, reducing physical strain. An indispensable addition to any mechanic tool set, this prying tool enhances workshop productivity. It brings simplicity and effectiveness to your automotive tasks. Crafted from quality materials, this pry bar hook tool ensures durability and long-lasting performance. It is designed for frequent use, offering reliability in demanding repair environments. What we like. This offers a simple yet effective way to tackle lower control arm removal, especially for front-wheel drive vehicles. If you're a DIYer or a professional looking to make bushing removal easier and reduce physical strain, this tool is perfect. It's designed to work with a standard pry bar, making it a convenient addition to your existing tools. What people say. This tool is a lifesaver for removing control arm bushings. It made the job so much easier and faster than using a hammer and chisel. The design is clever and allows for precise removal without damaging the control arm. Number 1. DAYUAN Master Ball Joint Press Kit. Introducing the DAYUAN Master Ball Joint Press Kit, your ultimate solution for servicing ball joints. This comprehensive set is designed for both 2WD and 4WD vehicles. Crafted from solid carbon steel with an anti-rust finish, this kit is built for durability and long-lasting performance. It's a versatile addition to any mechanic's toolkit. Easily remove and replace press-fit upper and lower ball joints with this specially designed tool set. It simplifies a task that can often be challenging. This all-in-one set includes all the necessary receiver tubes and adapters for both removal and installation. Everything you need is conveniently included. The forged C-frame press is not only perfect for ball joints but can also be used to remove and replace universal joints. Its versatility makes it an invaluable tool. Keep your tools secure and organized with the included blow-molded case. It ensures easy transport and quick access to the right tool whenever you need it. What we like. This is an all-in-one solution for both upper and lower ball joint service on 2WD/4WD vehicles. If you need a comprehensive kit that includes everything for removal and installation, including a versatile C-frame press, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for shops or serious DIYers who handle a wide range of ball joint jobs and want a durable, organized set. What people say. This tool is a lifesaver for removing control arm bushings. It made the job so much easier and faster than using a hammer and chisel. The design is clever and allows for precise removal without damaging the control arm. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.